Most people get this wrong. Can you solve it? Most people look at this question and think it's easy, but that's exactly why so many people get it wrong. 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 2. Pause the video right now, solve it on your own, and comment your answer before watching the solution. Ready? Let's solve it. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 minus 2 equals 16. Other people answer 12, but the correct answer is not 12. In fact, neither 12 nor 16 is correct. Why? Because they ignore one of the most important rules in mathematics, the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. If you don't follow PEMDAS, even simple questions like this can trick you. Before we solve this the right way, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you love math challenges, brain teasers, and fun puzzles that test your thinking, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I upload new math videos regularly, and you don't want to miss the next challenge. Now let's learn the rule that solves almost every order of operations problem correctly. PEMDAS stands for P parentheses, E exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. These letters tell us the correct order for solving mathematical expressions. Let's go through each one with simple examples. Parentheses. Parentheses always come first. Anything inside brackets must be solved before anything outside. For example, open parenthesis, 10 minus 4, close parenthesis, times 3. First solve what's inside the parentheses. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now multiply. 6 times 3 equals 18. Notice that we didn't multiply first. The parentheses always come first. Exponents. Next come exponents. Exponents are powers, such as squared and cubed. For example, 5 squared plus 3. 5 squared means 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now add 3. 25 plus 3 equals 28. If you ignore the exponent, your answer will be wrong. Multiplication and division. After exponents come multiplication and division. Here's something that confuses many people. Multiplication does not always come before division. They have the same priority. You simply solve whichever one comes first as you move from left to right. For example, 36 divided by 6 times 2. Start from the left. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Then 6 times 2 equals 12. That's the correct answer. Addition and subtraction. Finally, addition and subtraction. Just like multiplication and division, they have equal priority. Always solve them from left to right. For example, 20 minus 8 plus 5. 20 minus 8 equals 12. Then 12 plus 5 equals 17. Now that you understand PEMDAS, let's go back to today's problem. 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 2. Step 1. There are no parentheses. Step 2. There are no exponents. Step 3. Look for multiplication or division. There is one multiplication. 3 times 6 equals 18. Now rewrite the expression. 6 minus 18 minus 2. Now only subtraction remains. Remember, subtraction is solved from left to right. 6 minus 18 equals negative 12. Now subtract 2. Negative 12 minus 2 equals negative 14. So the correct answer is negative 14. If you got negative 14, congratulations. You applied PEMDAS correctly. If you got 12 or 16, don't worry. These are very common mistakes, and the more you practice the order of operations, the easier these questions become. Now I have a challenge for you. Without using a calculator, create a similar math problem in the comments below and let other viewers try to solve it. I'll be reading the comments, and I may feature some of the best questions in a future video. If you enjoyed this challenge and learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with your friends and family to see if they can solve it correctly. Thanks so much for watching.